Hey guys, after buying one of the most common 3D printers, the Anet A8, I decided to also buy one of the most common CNC routers. It's the 3018 model, well, the work area should be 30 by 18 centimeters, but this particular one has work area of 34 by 16 centimeters. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It came well packed in this box by GLS, as you can see. I hope they were careful when handled it. So on the top we have this. Here we have a CNC engraving machine manual, product parameters, general picture, and some instructions on how to assemble. Also wiring diagram and stuff like that. Okay. Next, we have a cable and a power supply. The power supply is 24 volts, 4 amps, so it's about 100 watts. I will have to change the cable as I'm in Europe and this is for Chinese, but it uses a general computer type cable, so it's okay. And then we have a few lot of parts. The most important part, actually one of the most important parts, is this. This is the actual spindle. You attach any tool to this spindle and it rotates and does its job. And this is the Z-axis stepper motor. When this turns, the spindle goes up or down depending on what's needed. We have two more spindle motors, actually stepper motors. Some other parts, I'm not sure why this is empty, because it might be because they actually already mounted it here. Here we have some aluminum extrusions. These are parts of the frame. Let's see what's this. Oh, these are some more parts. They do look like 3D printed parts, but okay. This is the USB cable which you use to connect to your computer, and this is the control board. Let's see. These are the drivers for the stepper motors. This is actually controller. It says, let's see, Nano DCC Arduino. So it's based on Arduino, which is fine. If anything happens, you can just source this part and just replace it. Okay. So we have some screws and some other stuff, cables, more cables, and I guess this is just a holder for the control board. Let's see if there is anything under here. Just more extrusions and the rails for the router. Let's see, anything else? I just want to check the type of the motor. It's what is? It says D42HSC 1413B24. Well, I will have to check that and see which exact model it is, and maybe purchase a couple just to have some spares. Okay guys, that's it for now. Have a good one. Bye!